guys, I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a homemade face cream or face moisturizer. It is really easy to do. The ingredients are very easy to find as well. And the most important of all, it will help you save lots of money and it will give you the same benefits than a moisturizer from the pharmacy. Before I go and show you the ingredients and how to make it, please don't leave without subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, share it on your social media and follow me on mine. Let's go and see what we're going to need. To begin, we are going to pour boiling water into a pan and then place a bowl inside of it. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of shea butter, and stir until they are both completely melted. After that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix it all together. Then we're going to pour the mixture into a clean container. I am using the one for a face cream that I have just finished. And then we're going to let it cool down for a couple of hours. This is the consistency of my cream because I live in a very cold country, but if yours is warm, it will be more creamy. Before applying it, I removed completely the hair from my face, grabbed some cream with my fingers and tried to melt it a little bit. After that, I'm ready to apply it. Now I'm going to tell you why these 3 ingredients. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants that can repair dry, irritated and inflamed skin, and can help to prevent and repair the damage that can lead to wrinkles and sunspots. Shea butter. The concentration of natural vitamins and fatty acids in shea butter makes it incredible, nourishing and moisturizing for skin. It is often used to remedy dry skin and to help protect the skin's natural oils. Coconut oil helps trapping in moisture. It will kill off any surface bacteria you might have picked up during the day. It speeds the skin healing process as well. Before applying this face cream, make sure your skin is completely clean. And so this is the before and the after. I really liked it. First, because I didn't spend much money. I made it myself. I know what I am putting on my skin. And I love how soft and hydrated it feels. Once you have finished, just put the lid on and find a place to store it. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you have a go. It's so easy to make and it gives you all the benefits your skin needs. I am very pleased with it and I'm just going to continue making it every time I finish it. This is it for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me some thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. Click on that little bell down below to receive notifications every time there is a new video. And click on that picture there to subscribe immediately to the channel. Don't leave without watching these other 2 videos because I am sure you're going to love them. I'll see you next week with another English video. Bye!